Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about YouTube ads and how to actually make affiliate sales using YouTube ads. So YouTube advertising is my most favorite traffic source of all time because it's cheap and it's really effective. So, if you want to make affiliate sales, the basic way of doing YouTube ads is really simple, right? But if you think about it, YouTube itself is kind of a social network. It's like a mix of search engine and social network. So the most common way that you see people do YouTube ads, they just have a video. They just send the traffic from video to their landing page, the page, sales page, whatever. But if you want to do it the right way, and if you want to save a lot of money while you do this, you need to actually get people to engage with your content first. Okay, so let me actually draw this. So this is the most common way. So there's a video, right? So this is your ad video. Okay, so this is your ad video, and then you send traffic from this ad video to your website. So that would be your website. So this is really simple. But if you want to do this the right way, and if you want to save a lot of money, because in this case, we're actually focusing on conversion more. So what happens is that you pay, if you apply the simple strategy that I'm going to share with you, you save more money on advertising. So here's how it works. So instead of just having one campaign, what you do is you make a video ad, right? Let me just take that out of here. So what you do is you make a video ad and you send people to, and provide some value and send people to your page, to your YouTube channel. Okay, so this is really important because if you don't have a channel for the product you're promoting, this is the the phase that you gotta kind of prepare for it. So you instead of just having one video for the product you're promoting, you should have multiple videos, like 5-6 videos. It takes a while to build them, but this is the most effective way to do it. And you shouldn't, the thing is, in business you shouldn't be lazy. So don't be lazy. Spend some time, make these videos. If you don't want to make them yourself, again, there are a lot of different ways to pay someone else to do it for you, but this is something you should definitely do. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make that ad video and provide some value, send people about whatever you're promoting. Let's say in this case, let's say you're selling a weight loss product. So what you do is you send people to your YouTube channel and ask them to watch more videos. Okay, and this works all the time on every single niche. So what you do is you send them to your YouTube channel and ask them to watch your other videos. So maybe there's another video, there's another video, another video, another video. On every single one of these videos, you're gonna have your affiliate link down here in the description and send them to the product page or the affiliate page. Okay, so this is gonna do a couple of things. Okay, first of all, when you do this, when you send people to a channel instead of a landing page, you pay less for advertising. This is something I've tested so many times, and it works all the time. You pay less for it, so that's one of the plus. And then what you do is, because you generate organic views, organic traffic here, you don't pay for this traffic. Okay, you pay for the ad, but you don't pay for the organic views that you've generated on your YouTube channel. And what you can do is you can actually run a retargeting campaign. This is the cool part, because let's say you pay 5 cents per click on your video, 5 cents per view on your video, on your original ad. So what you do is, if you create a retargeting campaign for people who have watched your videos, what's gonna happen is that you're gonna pay less than that. You're gonna pay half of that. So this is like the beauty of doing advertising on YouTube and doing retargeting on YouTube with it. So what you can do is, first of all, you get organic traffic to your YouTube channel. So you grow the YouTube channel organically, and because you're actually using ads to get some views to your YouTube channel, it's automatically going to attract more organic views from YouTube search and suggested videos to your YouTube channel. So your YouTube channel just automatically grows. And another thing you can do, again, retargeting, is that you pay like half of what you paid originally if you just do retargeting. So basically, you just run another advertising. This is another ad video, and you show this video to people who have watched your videos, your existing videos on your YouTube channel. The beauty of this is that there is a connection, there's an engagement. So they know you, so they watch one of your video ads, they watch some of your videos on your YouTube channel, and on this video you just promote the product directly. Okay, promote the product directly. You don't even have to try to do anything else. So that's the beauty of, you know, doing this whole, you know, putting this system together. So doing this takes some time, you know, like obviously you gotta build these videos. It's not gonna happen instantly. You gotta spend some time to make these videos. So let me take you to my computer and show you how you can actually make these videos. So you get a better idea of how to actually apply this strategy. All right, so let's talk about making videos. Let's go to my computer. All right, guys, so let me talk about making videos and, you know, ways that you can actually make videos. So the first way, which is, you know, one of the best ways to actually make videos, is going to Fiverr, and by going to Fiverr and ordering an animation, like a whiteboard video. So this is really cool. You write the script and they make animation videos for you. So it's really powerful. And there are a lot of different ways, and there are a lot of different people, you know, different pricings. So some people even actually do the script for you, so, or even voiceover for you. So it's really cool. So again, just go on Fiverr.com and search whiteboard animation. There you go. So the whiteboard animation, just do a search and you're gonna find a lot of people doing these kind of gigs. So, you know, you can start from cheapest prices like $10, $35, or you can get up to, you know, even $2,500. So this is, I think this is like super professional. So that's, you know, I don't recommend starting that high if you're brand new. So that's one way. Other way is to just, you know, pay someone to do a testimonial for you. That's another thing that you can just search on Fiverr. Let me actually load this thing. There you go. So the spokesperson, that's another kind of gig that you can find. So again, you can just give them a script. They're gonna make a video for you, either in a kind of a professional way like this, or kind of a amateur way. It depends on your video style and what you want to get out of it. So yeah, so that's one way. Another way, which is one of another, like, it's really cool. This is something you gotta spend some time on, but videos that come out of this are really cool, and it's called Podtoon. Now this is a video service that I used for some sales videos that I made in past, and also for some of the videos that I make, I still use Podtoon. Now this is a really cool tool. You can start for free. I mean, the free version is a little bit limited, but you can make some seriously cool animations with this tool. Okay, and it's all online. You just do it right on their site. Super cool. So Podtoon.com, that's another tool that you can definitely use to make videos for your YouTube channel. Okay. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber. And also leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video. Alright, so to close this video guys, I have a link in the description that's going to take you to my YouTube course if you want to learn all of these things in detail, and if you want to see me setting up campaigns and making money off of YouTube. There's going to be a link in the description that's going to take you to the course. You can, that's one of those courses that, you know, that you've never seen before, because in that course I actually just do everything in detail. So it's not just talking. You're going to see me actually doing it. You're going to see me doing everything on screen, you know, making the videos, giving you templates to actually make good YouTube videos that are actually going to convert, and you're going to see me building campaigns, doing YouTube advertising, and all of that stuff. So it's pretty cool. It's really detailed. If you want to learn all of these things in detail, you should definitely check it out. I'm going to leave the link in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video, or leave a comment and let me know if you have any questions. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.